welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Get One Buy Two by Dheeraj Singh. Now this is a very different book both in terms of storyline and in terms of character development. First I will go with the storyline. The book basically deals with three different people who find themselves on an airplane. The airplane crashes and these three are the only survivors. So while they are finding their way back to the city, they meet a saint or an ascetic, and he tells them that you could have died but you did not, and by that you have kind of just elongated your life for a year or so, maximum a year, because somebody who is fated to die and then they don't, they usually die at the same point of time in about a year. So they are skeptic, they are not really sure about how this would turn out to be. So then the rest of the story is how they all of them know this thing. So the rest of the story is basically on how they cope up with their knowledge that they might die in a specific amount of time, and basically how their lives are affected by it. The book also has a separate concept that each person has a different, is connected to a different person, and both their destinies are interconnected. We just don't know who that person is. So that's how it goes. Another thing, the story characterizations that I was saying about is that in this book the characterizations are pretty solid. Not only just the male characters, like there are three male protagonists, but the female protagonists, the female characters are also treated excellently. Like for example, this book is not a love story, but it does have a few snippets of a love story, and the female interests are not just there as a decoration. Usually in books, especially if it's written by a male author, we see that the female characters are just there, in the side like a decoration. They don't have any substantial role to play. But in this book, we see that the female character is doing something. She has a personality which is not just, there like a dumb person. She is an entrepreneur, and when they decide to get married, instead of doing, just the normal thing, she actually goes to his place, checks out checks out if her business would work there, and then gives her answer whether she wants to move to that place or not, which I think was very interesting the way author handled it. It was really interesting to read about that. Along with that, what I find in this book is that the storyline and the pace at which the story goes is quite fast, and it kind of grabs your attention, and you don't feel bored at any point of time. This is quite a short book, which I think if you pick it up, you'll be able to read it in a day or two. So yeah, definitely, if you want to read a fast-paced thriller with a tinge of romance and excellent characters, do pick this book up. So I hope you like my video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you plan to read this book, or if you have read this book. I'd love to discuss with you. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you soon.